Hey everybody, today I want to do a review of my SKIL handheld router. I've been using this router for a little over a year now. I believe my wife paid $99 for it at Lowe's, which is a little bit better than a lot of the other brands out there, and this one came with a couple extra pieces, which made it a really good deal. In the box, I got the router itself, the fixed base for it, the plunge base for it, and also the edge guide. Getting all four of these pieces for only $99 was an amazing deal, and overall, I'd rate the SKIL router at 4 out of 5 stars. But before we talk about the good, let's talk about the bad. The only thing I don't like about this router is the edge guide that it comes with. It is built pretty sturdy, but the cutout in the middle makes it really hard to work around corners on boards because the corners like to pop into this cutout, which throws your router off its track. I fixed this by welding a piece of steel to it, but I know that's not an option for everyone, and it adds a lot of weight to it, which makes it feel clumsy when using it. Now, let's talk about the good. The router and both bases are built very well and have a good weight to them. The handles are comfortable and have a good rubber texture, and the clear side panels really help with safety and improve dust collection. The screen and buttons on top are very user-friendly and makes it very easy to understand how changing settings actually affects your router. Making depth adjustments is very simple. All you have to do is open the latch and screw the threads up or down to adjust your depth. Making adjustments on the plunge base is also very straightforward. If you do not know how to use the controls on a plunge base, I highly recommend watching a video on how to use them, as there are a lot of tips and tricks that can really help you out and make your life easier. One of the big reasons I chose to go with this router was because of how they designed the lock for the plunge base. The latch is easily accessible while holding the handles, while remaining out of the way during use. I also really loved that the router had a work light that turns on when you're using it. Along with the router, I also purchased a SKIL router bit set. This set came with 30 router bits inside this neat little box. The bits have all performed really well, with virtually no tear out and very little burning. If you're looking for a router bit set, I would highly recommend this one, as the cost to value has just been incredible. Thank you guys for watching my review of my SKIL handheld router. If you'd like to see me do more tool reviews, please let me know in the comments down below. Have a great day.